So you're participating in the profits of the insurance companies, not into the funds they invest in, because we know insurance companies, they lend to commercial real estate, the space we're in. We know they invest, they have a very diversified portfolio, similar to sovereign wealth funds and endowments and so on. So they have those allocations. You're saying that you're not only participating in the investments they make, but you're participating in the actual entity itself, in the life insurance itself, in the profits that company is making, that entity is making?
Yeah, so with whole life insurance, that's it, because it's not connected to any funds or the stock market. So it's the overall profitability of the company. You get to participate in the profitability. And, some of them have been profitable every single year for 170 years. Every single year. If you think about it, in the US, you had the Civil War. There was two countries, two armies, two presidents, Congress, two different types of currencies. Then you had the creation of the Federal Reserve in 1913. You had, a World War I, World War II, the Great Depression, market crashes, economic recessions, the gold.
GFC.
GFC.
Exactly. Nixon taking the world off the gold standard in 71, the petrodollar coming in 74, the dot-com bust, boom and bust, the GFC, Great Financial Crisis, 2020. You've had all these things. So that's the only way that you can actually participate in it is through one of these policies. So in the vehicle, it's guaranteed to grow. You have access to dividends, tax, all this is tax-free. And then, of course, there is a death benefit. But now here's where the strategy comes in. The strategy is this: the money, the capital gets built up in these policies. And when you access capital from these policies, you do so through a policy loan, a line of credit secured by the value that's inside of that policy. So if you had, let's just say, $500,000 and then you needed $100,000 for a real estate deal that you're trying to do, you would get a policy loan for $100,000.